What's in here? Diag tool? Survival. Oh, you need to warranty your freaking get some sweatshirts.
What size is this one?
You gonna buy me one?
Bullshit.
Size me. I'm gonna tell you the size, bro. Large.
What happened with these ones? Some.
They get they shrink.
Yeah, but still. What size is that one?
Large también. Get a jacket, bro, like Ed's.
I don't like about those jackets. They're good.
They're bulky.
That's 2X. There's a new one right here, okay? Thank you.
That 1/4 inch.
You don't have extra large on this?
I like this one. So we are back. We got this cordless rechargeable soldering item. Co-worker of mine let me borrow that. As we go through the flyer, we got some drill bits, some knee pads, some earmuffs, welding helmets, lights, harmonic balancer tool, pulley pullers, oil filters, screwdrivers, punch and chisels, impact driver, extensions, power ratchets, a 1/2 inch impact holder, huh? It looks like it has a magnet so you can put it inside of your box. I keep mine right here, just like this. Mine's Snap-on, man. Some sunglasses. See, I honestly don't buy sunglasses at a high price because I have a brother who tells me it's vanity. But I just, you see this one's $24 at Harbor Freight. I believe it's $15. These circuit testers are all rebrand Lyle. Diagnostics, you guys seen my Snap-on video when the diagnostics truck came from Snap-on. Here's the carts, same one I have. I just don't have the side lockers. They're about like $1,800, he said. No, thank you. Updates, bags, chargers, flashlight holders, knives, vanity, not playing around. Nice jackets. We're looking at this one today in the truck, but they come too small. Hoodies, hats, drinks, toys, and back to the question of the day. This cordless, says butane free, hassle free soldering. Okay, so let's look at the specs. It says rapid test. It says SKR 8 seconds, 20 seconds compensation, and it says 1100 Fahrenheit and 750 Fahrenheit with the coldness of it. So let's open her up, see what she's about. We can get everything out of the way. Sorry, videotaping this with one hand is not the way to go. Okay. Matco part number SKR. Okay, so let's how it looks. And of course, they give you a warranty thing, package, healing coils, cloth, adapters, soldering. Here's the USB to recharge it. Fresh out the box. I think you have to hold. I can smell the burning on it. I don't know if you can see the smoke. Instantly smoking. Smoking. We're gonna see if it's 1100. Smoking. Okay. This one goes up to 1. Oh wow. Cools down way faster enough. It's not even damage anything. That's pretty cool. I guess I gotta give it a little thumbs up. Because once it starts smoking, it's cool enough. And the rod is kind of warm, but I don't dare touch the tip. Not the tip! That's pretty cool. So then you can unscrew these off. Just like that. Switch over. And that coil will get hot. I don't want to use all of them because this ain't mine. He was nice enough to let me borrow it for the video. But I was looking at it for $100. That ain't bad. I mean, you can get an easy access when you're doing wires or something like that. Ooh, that bad was hot. And I see it if you're like here on this motor and you gotta do some wiring there on the alternator, or if you're on a tight spot area, you can probably use it here. I honestly like it. I don't know about this whole burgundy. Burgundy really kills it for me. If it was orange, maybe, but I think also like these dark areas, it'll be really beneficial, especially when you get into like wiring like this, to be able to get back there and be able to solder a wire or something like that. Or, you know, a lot of us deal with cabin air filters and blower motors. So this would come in handy. Lunch. Subi. And like I've said before, this is a pretty cool tool. I want to say it's about maybe 7 inches long. I wouldn't mind having one, just because I don't really solder a whole lot, and I know he would let me borrow, but it has this cool light, LED light, so you can see what you're working on. I'm not really disappointed in this pretty cool tool, but smack on, not snap on. So, but anyhow, for $100, I can't see it being unbeatable if it has a warranty. Now, I don't know what's the warranty like, if it's like all internal or external. But for the money, $100, I don't think you can get one that's portable for that much. I know on Amazon I've seen some for $27. while we were on the truck. We were doing comparisons. That's why I didn't get a whole lot of video on there, but yeah, I like it. Let me know what your thoughts in the comments. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And I don't know what all that helps, but I mean, I like getting new subscribers. So let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to see on the truck, and we'll go from there. Until then, God bless.